Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Nokia Smart TV. And to do this, first you will need to click on the home button so you can see what I'm seeing right here. Now go up with the joystick and select the networks. It's the icon that I'm having connected right here. Highlighted right here. And now we can go for and click on OK. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled and then choose whichever network you have the password for. So it seems that this TV also supports 5G, so you can connect 5G network as well. And I'm gonna go with this one. Now you need to enter the password for your network. Click on the enter button and it should connect with your Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.